guys, it's Arielle here from Fix My Books to help you fix your book.
Hi guys, it's Arielle from Fix My Books, and today I'm going to show you guys how to file your HST return. But before that, I just want to say thank you guys so much for supporting my channel and watching all the videos, and I've listened to your feedback and I got a better mic. So I hope you guys notice that the quality of the audio in this video is way better than my previous videos, because that's something that you guys said that you didn't like the audio quality that much. So I just wanted to make sure that you know that I do take your feedback, I do read the comments, and I am proactive in making sure that my videos are the best quality possible. But again, you know, it's just me making these videos. There's no like professional editing team behind this. So thank you guys for your patience, and let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is go to the Taxes tab and then click Prepare Return. So this is a dummy company. So this is not like a real company. So we're just gonna follow the filing dates over here. But if you're doing this for your own company, make sure that the start date and end date for the reporting period is correct and that you follow your reporting period from the CRA. So just click print and then save this as a PDF so you have a copy, but I already did that, so my copy is right here. So after we have our GST 62 report, we need to go to Reports, Profit and Loss, and then we will change the dates. I'm trying to go by more slowly this time because you guys also said that I was going through everything so quickly last time that it was hard. But if I am still going too fast, just pause the video or like watch the section again that you didn't quite catch. So we can see here that line 101, 9,049.80 is accurate. It matches the total sales over here. So let us just highlight line 101 so we remember that we already matched it. Great. And then so we go to the Gst Hsd Detail Report. Again, let's make sure that the reporting period is correct. And March 31st. Okay, so 1176.48, you can see here, total for line 103. So let's just highlight that because that's matched. And then line 106, 1299.94. Okay, so we'll just highlight this so it's correct. So the reason why we have to go through the detailed report is so that we could see if there are any weird transactions or weird tax rates that we see here. So since line 101, 103, and 106 match, we can go on and we're ready to file our HST return. So if you can see here, line 103 and line 105 are the same amount, and line 106 and line 108 are also the same amounts. So we're just gonna go file our HST return. We'll click continue, and then you'll enter your business number, the access code, and your reporting period. So you can click this if you're reporting 0 rated sales outside of Canada, and then you can click next. And then line 90 is where you put your taxable sales in Canada, and line 91 is where you're going to put all your sales outside of Canada. And line 90 and line 91 will automatically be calculated and summed in line 101. Went back to the previous page, and I'm going to unclick this because all our sales are in Canada. So in line 101, we are just going to enter 9049.80. And then in line 105, we are going to enter 1176.48. And then in line 108, we're going to enter 1299.94. Okay? And then we can just click next, and it should take us to this page. You can click I certify and then submit. If this is accurate, make sure you double check. You can see that it says -123, -123, so we are expecting a refund. If this is positive, this number, then it means we owe the CRA money. Now, if you are expecting a refund, this is the last step for you. You don't need to do anything else. But if you are owing the CRA money, then you're going to have to go and remit the HSD either through your bank, or you can go to Pay Simply and remit the HSD over here. You can just click Canada Revenue Agency, Business Taxes, Gst Hsd. You make sure that you put payment on filing. I know you can pay via Interact Transfer or through a credit card. It's just up to you. But make sure that you just put your correct business number, business name, end of the period, and then the payment amount is line 113C. Again, if it's a positive number, that's what you're going to put in here. And you can just go through the steps. It's super easy. Everything is guided. It's really going to be difficult to make a mistake. So that's it. That's just how you file your HST return. Now, if you guys have any issues, like if one of the lines like line 101, 103, or 106 don't match, or you feel like, no, like I definitely had more input tax credits, or I paid more GST than I charged, I should be getting a refund, and you want to, you have questions, you want to know how to troubleshoot, I will be making a tutorial on how to troubleshoot your HST returns. So, stay in tune for that. That's coming soon, I promise.
Hey guys, I hope you liked the video, and please don't forget to subscribe so you can tune in to the next videos in our tutorial series here on YouTube. And once again, this is Arielle from Fix My Books, and I'm here to help you fix your book.